Long essay on zoo. A zoo functions according to the regulations laid down by the government of the country. Another purpose of having a zoo is that it is a place where the species can grow. It's a breeding ground for the inhabitants of the zoos. Hence, it protects its species. Another way zoos helped humans was that it gave the scientists a way to research various things like the behavioral pattern of the animals. Humans get a chance to see rare animals, which they wouldn't be able to see anywhere else. If zoos didn't exist, man wouldn't be able to see what certain rare species of animals look like at all. Zoos are the perfect place for animals to increase their species. The zoos serve as a breeding ground for the inhabitants of the zoo.